Nadine Wilkins here, and as you guys can see, I'm in the car with the family, but I wanted to jump on to share this word with everyone. And my topic for today is the importance of making a decision. Listen, the worst place to be is in indecision. When you're not able to make a decision, let's say you've always wanted to start a business, or let's say you're looking to grow or scale your business. The worst place to be is in a place of indecision. When you're sitting there and you're worrying about all the what ifs that 99% of the time never actually comes through. One thing I know is this: Newton's law of motion, an object in motion will remain in motion. And I'm here to tell you, when you are sitting still and you're worried about all the what ifs that 99% of the time never happens, that's absolutely the worst place to be. So what you want to do is make a decision. So how do you come to that decision? Number one, let's say you wanted to start a business. Does the business resonate with you? Number two, do you have the time to build the business? And if the answer is yes, then you can move forward. And if you hit roadblocks along the way, well, guess what? You can course correct. But the worst place to be is in that place of, oh man, should I? Or I don't know what to do. Well, what if this happens? And what if that happens? And in the end, a year will go by, 2 years will go by, 3 years will go by, and you will still be sitting in the same exact place with no decisions made. See, when you make a decision, you cut off everything else. You cut off the indecision. You cut off the worry. You cut off the fear. You cut off everything else. And now you position yourself to be in action. So if this message resonates with you, definitely check out my new case study video on my website, workwithnadine.com. Again, it's www.workwithnadine.com. Have an awesome weekend, and I look forward to connecting with you soon. Take care and God bless.